On Fridays, we make sandwiches. Let's make a Grindr sandwich. It's Pride Month, so I thought it's only fitting that we make a Grindr sandwich. I thought it was pretty genius by their marketing department to come up with a viral sandwich. That's innovation. But up until now, I haven't tried one of these before, so let's make it and grade the results. Now let's get our bread cut in half, and I'm going to use ciabatta. Then we're going to start applying our meats and cheeses. And the cheese I decided to use is provolone, and I'm going to use a little bit of mortadella, salami, and pepperoni. I haven't seen so much meat slapped around since being in Der Boiler in Berlin. And then we're going to put it in the oven at 375 so it can get nice and baked. Next we're going to make the salad, so we're going to chop up some iceberg lettuce, put it in a bowl, and then start slicing our red onion, and then put that in the bowl as well. And then we're going to combine it with some mayo, some banana peppers, and a good amount of banana peppers. You're really going to want the acidity in there. Some red wine vinegar, fresh salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, and Dijon mustard. And you're going to want to toss that salad. But remember not to toss it too hard. You're going to want to be gentle with it. After the salad's been thoroughly tossed, we're going to pull out our fully baked sandwich, and we're just going to start loading up that salad on top of it. Once you put a good amount of it, we're just going to pop the top on it, and then we're going to try to get this wrapped up. Now, don't give me no shit for all the paper I'm using. I told you I'm not good at arts and crafts. So go ahead and just going to get this cut in half, and then we're going to take a quick look at that cross section. Ooh, it's nice and tight. To be honest, I was kind of expecting like a messy butt of a sandwich. I thought juices would be dripping everywhere. And I thought I put enough meat in this sandwich, but I guess I didn't. Sometimes God just doesn't bless you in those ways. Let's just see if there's enough motion in the sandwich's ocean. Yo, this first bite was good, but I'm getting distracted by this cliffhanger situation going on with my banana pepper. Okay, let's go in for a second bite. See, I can see why this sandwich went viral. It balances and mixes so well together. The meat, it's salty, it's savory, and then it pairs with the cheese, which is bringing a nutty flavor to the situation. And then the salad is so acidic, and it just cuts through the savoriness and the nuttiness of the meats and cheeses, and it just pairs so well together. This little corn bite's about to be electric. Oh, yeah. The sandwich it's filling for sure. It can be somewhat heavy, but it also feels light on its toes, like a polar bear tap dancing. It feels like a good summer sandwich, just nice and refreshing. Overall, a great sandwich, and shout out to Grindr for inventing it. Let me just take one more bite, and then I'll be ready to give this a grade. I'm going to give this sandwich a grade of 9.1. Thanks for watching.